Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to the STEM IT Buzz session. I'm your host, Lethu Shabalala from GoDigitalSA Foundation. Um, so I thought of singing the Akon song "Lonely," but you're right there at home watching, and today on this session. Anyway, it's just only gonna be me, no speakers, no co-hosts. It's just me and you. Me. Okay. So I'm a technology and innovation manager for Digital SA Foundation. I'm also a Microsoft certified trainer, that is the MCT, and I'm also a Microsoft innovative educator. Come on. Why is the English running away now? Okay, so today I'm just gonna show you a few things, and some of that thing that I'm gonna show you today is actually a reminder because last year I did tell you about it. It's an opportunity or an initiative by Microsoft to help out the youth in upgrading or upskilling themselves and getting certified. Certified. Every night I kiss the sky. You know that song? Yeah. So so it's for you to get certified and so you can be able to get that job that you always wanted. Without further ado, okay, again, so STEM it, if you didn't know, STEM it is about giving you the rightful tools to be able to upskill yourself. So the STEM is for science, technology, engineering, mathematics, which used together and giving like it's actually fusing all the science, technology, and engineering mathematics into one thing. It's taught to children or learners from primary school up to high school. See, so to give them all the skills that are actually on these different fields, science, technology, mathematics. And then the it of the STEM it is actually for the tech skills, tech, but more into like the IT side, the IT, the IT side, computer science. You know what I mean? So today it's just like a few things. So we're just gonna keep this session short. It's not gonna be an hour because only like me. No. So okay. So so many so-sos. But anyway, let's get to the business. Business. Um, okay. So, guys, the other thing that I wanted to say is that thank you to the teachers that joined us last week in our Microsoft Teams teacher training that was held from the 18th up till the 21st. Yeah. Um, and it was really awesome. Yes, it did start a bit with technical difficulties, but then after that, it went smoothly. And thanks to Mohammed again for helping out. And yeah, we will still have some more sessions for you teachers, for trainers, for learners that are interested in taking part in learning and furthering the knowledge to other people, you know, to communities, maybe to other students in universities. Yeah, that kind of thing. So, um, before I forget again, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, the Go Digital SA Foundation channel. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and just so you can be able to be updated with new content every day, new content that we have every time, every week. You, whew, yeah. And please comment what else that you want to see us bring to you at home from your screen. Not that I'll go knock on your door and say, voila. Anyway, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Okay. Um, let's start right in. So the stuff that I'm gonna use right here, all the links I'm gonna include down on the description, you know. So what I wanted to remind you of, it's the initiative that Microsoft has. Let's open. So this link I'm gonna include on our description. So this started last year, June 30, 2020. So Microsoft launched an initiative to help about 25 million people worldwide to acquire the digital skills needed for COVID-19 economy. I'm going to give you homework to search what is economy. Um, if you know, you know, but basically it's where people are not like really interacting physically. It's not like physical meetings, but it's actually meetings, do them virtually, whether it's through Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, or Amazon Chime, or Facebook's Blue Jean, you name them. You know them? Yeah. Um, and since people are talking about the fourth industrial revolution, let me just put it right there. Like, so the skills that you're gonna get right here are gonna be able to make you fit in to the fourth industrial revolution economy. No iRobot, no Matrix. Okay. So I gotta step saying so. Like so many so like so. Okay. Then the part that I wanted to get into is this part right here where it says the exams are now discounted. So, man, how many souls? Like, get around souls that I say in this section. I would be rich. Okay, the courses by Microsoft are actually $15 since last year for people that are unemployed. Should I put it that way? Huh? Yeah, but you can also take the exam. I'm gonna show you how. Show you how. Um, I'm holding the soul back, holding it back. So many souls, so many souls. No, I'm holding it back. So be back, get back. Um, we have these certifications available for you to take. The only certifications that are $15. 15, 1 5. That is like really cheap and affordable. You know what I mean? Uh so why is the song coming out? Okay. For you to be able to access this content and use this link that is opportunity.linkedin.com, and we're just gonna open it. Right click, open link in new tab. tab was right. Is that see even now? It's taking long to load. Okay. Mm, and then from here, we can just follow the three-step process and click on start learning. And then from here, learn relevant skills for jobs in the like we saw in these visual presentations of the data here. You can read it. You will understand why they had to come up with this initiative. These 10 jobs were identified as having the greatest number of job openings. We had steady growth over the past 4 years. Pay a livable wage and require skills that can be learned online. Sometimes. Um, so yeah, so um, if maybe I want to learn a certain skill for a certain job, this page right here shows me the type of job that I would like to pursue, whether it's a software developer, sales representative, project manager, IT administrator, etc., etc., etc. And it tells me like the description of it. So a software developer involves programming, storage, networking, security, and deployment, HTML, CSS, SQL, JavaScript, and Python, and so many more. And how many jobs are out there that I can get with becoming a software developer? It's actually 22.7 million plus jobs. So this is the info that you can get from here by just looking without clicking anything. So for me to start learning, I can just click on start learning and opening software developer that I want to show you. Okay, from here, it shows you the same information that we saw back then on the previous page. And from here, I can just start learning is the LinkedIn courses, and the other ones right here are the Microsoft courses that I can go through. And by the way, for you to access the LinkedIn courses, you need to have, and maybe sometime I will have somebody who's gonna get you through on how to set up a link, how to set up your LinkedIn file, um, like how to make it attractive and how to attract um, people on LinkedIn to your profile, how to grow your network. Boom. Yeah. So, like I said, you need to have a profile so you can learn learning. And then the same with Microsoft Learn or Microsoft. You need to have a Microsoft profile in order to be able to learn on Microsoft Learn. Maybe we can go for the Microsoft Azure Developer or Microsoft 365 Developer course. But I'm just going to open up the Microsoft Azure Developer. Check it out. The Microsoft technology areas that we have on this, it's Microsoft Azure, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Power Platform, and security. And these are the simple courses that they have you to learn those skills, upskill yourself, so you can be able to get the job. Or maybe, who knows, maybe you want to start up your own company using those skills and help out people start up businesses or other companies that actually want to migrate on premises to the cloud. Yeah. And then the related certifications that are related to these Microsoft technology areas are right here. So you can select from this right here too. Um, and you can also check this out, like the job search best practices. It's part of LinkedIn. Um, and you can also learn how to use GitHub right here. Some links that are right here, I'm just going to include them on my description. The Facebook page description and the YouTube description after 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 the video. Um, and let me just go on to the Microsoft courses and click on Microsoft Azure Developer. Start learning. Because I already have a profile, I don't want to have to go on to clicking all that stuff and again. I'm just taking straight through, and this is my profile actually on level 11, even on game. That is a have to work on. So you get points on Microsoft Learn for completing all the learning paths. It's points. Those points show right here. So okay, I'm not on that for now. I'm just showing you how to get on to Microsoft Learn and start learning straight from that blog. Um, so from here, I can choose whether I want to see the certification details, or I can practice using the GitHub Learning Lab, and also I can view the LinkedIn resources or the resources on LinkedIn. And these are fundamentals. So I would recommend for you to start with the fundamentals before going on to the skills. The fundamentals actually show you everything that you need to know about a certain course to take. Just like maybe if you are new to Azure, you need to take the Azure Fundamental Learning Path. It's really helpful. I'm telling you. Trust me. Trust me. And then you can go on to advancing your skills with module ads. And when you're done, then you can click on view certification details. And from there, oh no, not choosing it. Takes you through to the Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associates page. Then from here you can look at the details of the exam. This is the exam code, the AZ204. Certification details. So you take one exam to earn the certificate. You don't have to take like two exams, maybe three exams, like the Microsoft certified. This, what is it? The MCSE? Yeah, that. Uh yeah, they actually retired it. So I guess my mind is also retiring it, but I don't have to retire because sometimes in order to for you to advance further, you need to know the legacy. Just like how when you learn about a computer or computer literacy, you learn about what is a computer before typing. But you can do it. You can start with with whatever which one you want to start with. But if you want to learn about the cloud, to learn about the that's what I'm telling you. To learn about the infrastructure, what makes the cloud is you cannot really understand the cloud if you don't know what makes the cloud. Because problems happen, you need to know what to fix, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, right here, these are the skills measured for this certification. These you need to master before taking this exam. And to learn more, uh, so you can do the online free learning, or you can choose to get the instructor-led training, which is paid. And when you are ready, when you feel that you're come to this part, and this is the one that you select to schedule for exam. The usual price is actually $165 for United States. And it says right here that the price is based on the country in which the exam is proctored, the exam taken. So as I am in South Africa, I can just choose South Africa on the list, and it will give me the exact price for taking an exam in South Africa, which is $55. But due to the initiative, I can take the exam for only $15. Check how cheap is that. Very cheap. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Yeah, it is really affordable. Um, so from here I can just select, and it will ask me to create a profile for that. Testing, should I say testing authority? Yeah, that kind of thing. Um, I usually use PSN View, but for this one I forgot what it is. Forgot what it is. Um, but maybe we can open it up and see. Yeah, I agree. Registration. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. And please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to like our Facebook page. Yeah. It's taking long. Okay, from here I can just say schedule exam. Oh, it uses PSI. Hey, do remember quite a process. Okay, and now my profile is open. So from here, I can just schedule the exam, click on schedule, or click on view details. I'm good to go. Um, okay. The other thing that I wanted to show you is the 30 days challenge. Apart from the initiative of writing the for only $15. Um, so this is the Microsoft Cloud Skills Challenge. you are given 30 days to complete a challenge. There's multiple challenges that you can see right here at the bottom. So from Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals and up to DevOps engineering. So if maybe like I want to do let's say Azure Solutions Architect, I can just click on Get Started and click on Begin Now. But before we get on to that, I want to go back and show you something that uh, this challenge for me is no. Okay. So right here you earn 50% of the cost of a Microsoft certification exam by completing your challenge within 30 days. So if we go past 30 days, you're gonna earn your 50% off voucher. But if you finish the cloud skills challenge less than 30 days, then you receive percent off voucher. Let's go back to uh cloud solutions architect architect, and I can just click on begin now and accept the official rules, or I can open up the official rules, read about them. Oh, okay. So from here you can learn about the rules of taking the skills challenge. Uh, and I have to accept, then start learning. It's a bit similar to what we looked at for the initiative because it still has modules. So for me to complete this challenge, I need to spend about 26 hours and 38 minutes on it to complete it. And it has 35 modules. Um, and these are the modules that you can go through and learn about them, practice them, because there's also exercises or labs that can help you understand better about what you're learning. And then from there, after when you're done, you get an email saying that you have completed the skills challenge and you're eligible for the 50%. Yeah. So that is all, friends. Again, I will share the links on the description after this video. And please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like our Facebook page. Yeah, so that is all. And please don't forget, next week again, we have more for you, have more content for you. Who knows, maybe I will have a speaker who's going to share with us about AWS or maybe about STEM, but you will see. Yeah, that is it from me again, ladies and gentlemen, friends, everybody at home. My name is Lethu Shabalala from GoDigitalSA Foundation. Thank you again for tuning in. See you again next week. Thank you. Oh, whoa. Before I forget, how can I forget this? Next week, Tuesday, don't forget about the Computer Science Learning Series at 5:30 p.m. South African Standard Time. 5:30 p.m. South African Standard Time on our YouTube channel, live on our YouTube channel, and then live page. And again, from me, Lethu Shabalala, thank you very much. Buzz session. I need to work on my outro. Thank you very much.